Welcome the our channel. Today we how to configure computed fields in Airtable for smarter apps step by step clearly. First, open your Airtable base where you want to configure computed fields. Click on any column header to create a new field. Select the Add a Field option from the drop-down menu. In the Field Type menu, scroll down and choose Formula. Enter a descriptive name for your computed field in the provided field name box. Now, think about the calculation or information you want your computed field to provide. Use the formula editor to craft your formula. You can reference other fields by typing their names in curly brackets. For example, to add two number fields, you would use a formula like field 1 plus field 2. If you need to perform a function, you can start by typing the function name followed by parentheses. For instance, to find the average, you might use average, field 1, field 2. Airtable's formula syntax includes functions like if, concatenate, and more. Ensure your formula is correctly formatted to avoid errors. You can preview the computed results in the formula editor. Once you're satisfied with your formula, click on the Create Field button. Your new computed field will now appear in your Airtable base. You can always edit the formula later by clicking on the field header and selecting Customize Field. Consider using computed fields for tasks such as running total. Remember that computed fields update in real time as the data in referenced fields changes. This powerful feature allows you to create smarter, dynamic applications within Airtable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.